Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get Robinhood statements. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing to do is to make sure that you have an approved account in trading or to use Robinhood application. And now that you have logged in, make sure that you verified your identity and that your account is completed. After that, all you need to do is to go to the statement page or tab in Robinhood, and basically you would find it in the profile picture or in the profile tab. So here in this menu, we have these five options. We click on the profile, and then first thing you will see this view. And now all we need to do is to go to the menu here. And by going to the menu, you will find many options more than this if you have an eligible account or a completed account. And basically one of them, you will find Robinhood statements or you will find statements as an option. You will click on statements and from there you will be seeing the documents or the statements for your account. Then you will be needing just to click on the month that you would like. So basically you will have monthly options. For example, April 2020 or for example, May, June, etc., etc. So when you click on the month that you would like, you will get your statement. And after that, you will be able to download the documents or you can share them to your uh, contact or to message yourself with them or whatever so you can print them or do whatever you like with these documents and basically with this method you will be able to get your Robinhood statement. So thank you for watching and see you next time.